Let's invite your students to Edneed. But first, have you set up your courses and classrooms yet? If not, watch our video on courses and classroom, link in description. Let's get started. From your Institute admin dashboard, click on Students. Let's start by sending a manual invite. Simply enter the email address, name, admission number of the student and select their course from the drop-down menu. You can invite up to 10 students at one time. To add more students, click on Invite More. Click Remove to remove extra fields. Click Send Invitations button once you're done. Your students will receive invitation via email. To add or edit student information, click on Edit. Here you can add parent name, contact number, etc. Click Update Details to finish. It's time to invite more students. Click on the big blue Invite Students button. Let's send a bulk invite this time. Download the bulk invitation Excel by clicking on Download Excel Sheet button. Open the Excel sheet and carefully fill in the data. Make sure to not change the sequence or titles of the column headings. Also make sure that the course you want to add the student into is already created on Edneed. Now fill in the information and save the document. Come back to Edneed and click on Upload Excel Sheet button and select the document. If your invitation fails, download the Excel sheet and refer to the remarks column to find out the reason and then re-upload. Your students are successfully added. To see student list of a specific course, go to Courses, select the course and inside the course open Student drop-down. The list of students will appear. Here you can transfer student to another course or remove them from this one. To change student's course, click Change Course for that student. From the drop-down, select the course that you want to shift the student to. To remove the student from your school, click on Remove button. We've reached the end of this video. To learn how to invite teachers, watch our Invite Teachers video, or learn how to set up courses and classrooms. Lastly, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Happy learning, Team Edneed.